So I made a bamboo raft because I had had a dream ever since I was very young to use bamboo from neighbors' green waste piles and float it down the river.
We had an idea and then we just tried to figure out how we would put it together, and we decided to use a triangle shape because we had watched a video in science and they used a triangle for a raft. So the hardest part was probably finding bamboo and then cutting it to put it together.
We got some paper and we started thinking of designs of how we could build a raft. We built with the pieces, the bamboo, and we tied it together and then we went to the river to see if it would float. The first one probably took 3 hours to build, and then we added onto it more bamboo later, which probably took another 2 hours. We have not yet accomplished our goals because the current was too strong in the river, so we need to create a new design so that it is more maneuverable.
We would have done differently is that we would have changed the shape so that it would be easier to move around with it and move it down the river.
So getting the bamboo was hard, and then getting it to the river and actually getting in the water. We planned it out and then we designed it and we built it and then we tested it, and when it didn't float first time we added more bamboo and then did float, but we had to improvise and then we made it halfway to the island but then had to get pulled back.
The overall outcomes of the project, but we feel like it could have been better if we'd done it a little differently. Yes, we are planning to do something like this again, but instead of a raft this time we're thinking about making paddle boards out of bamboo and seeing if that works better.
Well, even when it seems like it's not gonna work, you keep trying, and you have to be able to accept that it might not work the first time and that you're gonna have to go back and try again and redesign.